I'm here today at Runners Prep, delivering classes for our undergraduate exercise science program. We're looking at running technique, running kinematics, the gait cycle, and how to prepare runners for the challenges of their sport.
Runners Prep is a strength and conditioning space that can help support people on their running journey no matter where they are. I just wanted to create a space that people felt like that they were supported when they were going through injury, but they also had races that they could prepare for with other people as well.
At Federation, we deliver our co-op educative model, and part of that is co-delivering our content to students. So we've worked together, Mitch and I, to design this content and then deliver it to students. So students get to come in and see what happens in practice and see an actual hands-on practitioner in how they go about systematizing that and enhancing athletes' experience.
I did all my studies at Federation Uni. I started with the Bachelor of Exercise and Sports Science and then transitioned to the Masters of Exercise Physiology. I was lucky enough to be involved with the testing facilities available at Fed Uni and was lucky enough to have mentors and supporters along the way. Essentially, it set me up for my future.
To get the best experience, part of the challenge in running a successful marathon is making it to the start line healthy. Most runners get that wrong, and so Mitch, through Runners Prep, and the coaches he employs have worked together with me at Federation Uni to develop the training programs to help people prepare for the marathon in a positive way without getting injured. It's been quite fulfilling for me to have seen Mitch right from that foundational student to then working alongside him to deliver evidence-based expert programs to help people prepare for the marathon.